In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your personal life in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp and head to your home area from the left side navigation. This takes you to a central hub where you can manage everything. From here, look for the Spaces section. Click the plus icon to create a brand new space dedicated to your personal life. Give your space a clear, memorable name, something like Personal HQ or Life Admin, so it's easy to find later, then click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to define your workflow. To keep things simple as you get started, choose the Starter option. This gives you a minimal, clean setup without overwhelming features. You can always customize deeply later once you're comfortable. After that, review the default views. Click through to choose the layouts you want available by default, such as list, board, or calendar. Pick what you know you'll use. List is great for straightforward task management, while board is helpful if you like visual columns. You'll also see options for task statuses. Keep them simple at first. Something like to do, in progress, and done helps you move quickly without overthinking. Then look over the Click apps. These are add-on features that enhance tasks like time estimates, priorities, or tags. Toggle on only what you actually need right now to avoid clutter. When you're happy with the setup, click Create Space to finalize it. Inside your new space, click the plus icon again and choose Folder. Folders help you group related tasks. Name your first folder Home and Household and click Create. This will hold everything related to chores, maintenance, and household management. Now, create your first task, something simple like chores. This could represent a recurring set of household tasks or a checklist inside one task. Open the task and set a due date. Click the due date field and choose an option like today, later, or select a specific date that fits your schedule. Use dates to keep tasks visible and actionable. If you prefer flexibility, you can still assign a broad time frame and refine it later. From here, repeat the folder setup for other parts of your life. Create folders like personal goals or wellness, so you can separate health routines, learning projects, and habit tracking from home responsibilities. Keeping these areas distinct makes it easier to focus. As you build, keep naming consistent, review your space weekly, and start small. Add complexity only when you need it. With this structure in place, your personal life in ClickUp will stay clear, organized, and easy to manage.